Okay, so we take a look turbo business. Chapter financial accounting. Chapter 9, the work example. Work example 2. Okay, for this work example 2, we need to prepare the current account, capital account. Second is the current account. Okay, based on work example 1. Okay, based on work example 1. So we need to have some recap first for the work example 1. Before we do this, we need to know there are two methods to posting the figures from the appropriation account. The first one is fixed capital and the second one is floating capital, but normally we don't use the second one. So I will just focus on the first one, fixed capital method. Okay, so this one is also the fixed capital method. Okay, so you need to remember this fixed capital method. Okay, how we do this? For the fixed capital method, that means the capital will remain the same unless there are further contribution and also the revaluation of asset. And for the current account, we will record the daily transaction. For example, the drawings. Normally, we record here the first one, drawings. Second one, if you have drawings, sometimes you may have the interest on drawings. And then next one, the third one, you may have the interest on capital. Or the fourth one, you may have the partner's salary. And the fifth one is of course is the most important, that the share of profit and loss. Okay, so we may have this 5 parts in the current account. Okay, so remember for the drawings, there's two. For the drawings, the interest on drawings will decrease. Okay, will decrease what the owners have. Interest on capital, partners, salaries, or share of profit, of what depends on. But if it's profit, then that will be it, right? Add to the partners capital. Okay, so we first based on this one, we start to prepare the account. Of course, this is fixed capital account, therefore we just very simple. If we need to prepare the capital account, first is the capital, and then of course write the name of this 3 person. Remember who they are. Daniel, Martha, and also Jill. Daniel, Martha, and Jill. What we prepare is the columnar form. Okay, that means in 3 columns. And normally in your exam question, you might have 3 partners as normal. Okay, 3 partners as normal. Okay, next we have the balance brought down. Balance brought down based on the work example number 1 will be all these figures. Oh, because this is a fixed capital method, therefore, for the balance carried out, same. No change because you don't have any changes for the capital. Okay. Okay. And then next one we have the current account. So this part important. Okay. Of course, you have the balance brought down. So remember, if the current account have the debit balance, that means you need to write the balance brought down here. If no, then the current account will be in credit balance. We will write on credit side. Okay, next we need to update all this. First, let me update the add item first. Add item, interest on capital. So we have prepared interest on capital from the profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account. So interest on capital here we updated by cell. $4,000, 16,000, and then 10,000. Alright, next one, interest on drawing. Sorry, interest on current account. $6,880,140. Okay. And the last one is the salary. Only Daniel and Jill. Alright, so we update 1 interest on capital, interest on. Oh, I missed one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Interest on drawings. Okay. And remember, the most important is the last one. Share of profit. Our share of profit is this portion. 82285, 164570, and 82285. Okay. And we come to the next part. I told you there are some items you need to less. Drawings and interest on drawings. Okay. So, drawings. Drawings here, refer to example 1, the drawings is this, so we directly update it. Okay, and then the last two part is we update the interest on drawing. Alright, so at last, the last part is to have the balance. Okay. So of course, you see this part current account, the credit side is much larger than the debit side. That means we can calculate the total from the credit side. So we add them all up, we got 227,285. Next part is 203,450, and the last one is 189,725. Okay, so we directly copy all those figures to the debit side. So we can use the total and then minus all these figures, and then you find the balance carried out. The first one is 29285, and the next one is 120950, and the last one is 90725. Okay, so this is for work example 2. Prepare the capital account and the current account. So remember, this is the fixed capital method. That means the capital always the same unless there are two occasions. The first one is additional contribution, and next one is the revaluation of asset. And of course, this will always be changed while you have the solution, but we'll talk about it later. And we have the current account. So we remember, when you update the current account, first find the balance breakdown and then add all this item, and then less this item. Okay, so all this you can find in the appropriation account, and this one also can find the appropriation account. But don't miss this one. Don't miss the drawings. Okay, this won't find in the appropriation account, but you still need to update when you prepare the current account. Okay.